A rainy, 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 rainy day, isn't it? I'm going to be using a lot of towels today. As opposed to last week, with the drought. We don't have to make these things up in one day. Fall arrives and kaboom. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright guys, come on. What, we stand around in the rain? Let's keep moving. Oh yeah, I'm the one that stopped. I forgot. No. Wah, wah, wah. What'd you do? Did you chase all the geese away? Make way for ducklings is what they're saying today. No geese. I guess the geese fly south or something. So let's see the impact of rain upon the construction guy. I see blinking yellow lights and I see human beings. Not afraid of a little rain. They're construction workers. Little rain, a lot of rain. So let's see how much we got going down here. Mudsville. What good boys, standing in the rain for the sake of documentary or documentation, whatever you want to call it. Now let's get to your filmmaking business off film, okay? Let's go, guys. So when I say go, I mean go.